name is Zaki Easy English Story. Hello, everyone. My name is Zaki. I live in Kabul. I am 22 years old. I am a student. I love learning English. I study English every day. I practice speaking, reading, and listening. Every morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I study English for 1 hour. I like reading English books. I also watch English videos on YouTube. When I learn a new word, I write it in my notebook. Then I try to use it in a sentence. In the afternoon, I go for a walk. Sometimes I play football with my friends. Football makes me happy and healthy. In the evening, I come back home. I have dinner with my family. Then I review my English lessons again. My dream is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to many countries. I want to meet new people and talk to them in English. I know learning English takes time, but I never give up. Every day, I learn something new. Every mistake helps me become better. I believe that practice is the key to success. Thank you for listening to my story. Have a wonderful day and keep learning English.